Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can play Dolphin emulator with keyboard and mouse. So if you have not already download and install Dolphin emulator from the official Dolphin website, launch the Dolphin emulator on your PC. Go to Options, then Configure. Under the Controllers tab, select Standard Controller for GameCube games or emulated Y mode for Y games. Click on Configure next to the controller type you selected. Assign the keyboard and mouse buttons to the corresponding game controllers. For example, WASD keys for moving your character, mouse movement to control the camera view, spacebar for jump, left mouse button for attack, and assign to other keys as preferred. Save your configuration and start playing your game. Thanks for watching.